Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Next Road. In this new video you are going to learn in details about most comfortable motorcycle helmet. When looking for the most comfortable motorcycle helmet, several factors come into play, including fit, weight, ventilation, padding, and noise reduction. Here are some top contenders known for their comfort. 1. Shoei RF-1400. Fit, intermediate oval shape, snug but not too tight. Weight, lightweight construction. Ventilation, excellent airflow with adjustable vents. Padding, multi-layered interior for comfort and moisture wicking. 2. Arai Signet-X. Fit, long oval shape, great for riders with longer heads. Weight, slightly heavier but well balanced. Ventilation, effective air intake and exhaust system. Padding, soft and plush interior lining. 3. Bell Qualifier DLX MIPS. Fit, intermediate oval shape, customizable fit with different cheek pads. Weight, lightweight design. Ventilation, good airflow through multiple vents. Padding, removable and washable interior liner. 4. HJC RPHA 11 Pro. Fit, snug fit suitable for sport riding, intermediate oval shape. Weight, very lightweight due to advanced materials. Ventilation, superior ventilation system designed for high-speed riding. Padding, comfortable inner lining that is moisture wicking. 5. Schuberth C4 Pro Carbon. Fit, rounder shape, ideal for various head shapes. Weight, lightweight thanks to carbon fiber shell. Ventilation, good airflow with a quiet ride experience. Padding, high-quality padding that provides comfort over long distances. Key considerations for comfort. Proper fit, always try on helmets before buying. They should feel snug without pressure points. Interior padding, look for removable and washable liners that provide cushioning and can be maintained easily. Noise levels, a quieter helmet enhances comfort on long rides by reducing wind noise fatigue. Weight, lighter helmets reduce neck strain during extended use. Choosing the right helmet ultimately depends on personal preference regarding style, full face, modular, etc., and intended use, commuting versus racing. Always ensure any helmet meets safety standards such as DOT or EKI certifications. Thanks for watching.